I have given myself a challenge to paint a blue butterfly on a white daisy. With a painting app such as ArtRage, which mimics traditional media, it is possible to make paintings look quite lifelike with the textures that can be reproduced. So we will see how well I do. Follow along and let me know in the comments. Starting with a sketch of the reference I downloaded from Upsplash, I used the ink pen to fill in the colour. With the eraser and pen, I add detail to the edges of the wings. I mark the veins with a digital pencil. Now I'm applying a light spray with the airbrush, followed with a textured spray. My attention now is to the body of the butterfly, and as you can tell, I experimented with different shades of blue, trying to match the colour and texture of the photo. And using the colour adjustment filter and adding noise, I felt happy with the effect. Adding the antenna and the butterfly has taken shape. Next, the daisy, where I use the airbrush again for the centre and the oil brush for the petals. To finish, I sprayed green with the airbrush and blended with the palette knife. I felt it needed the colour adjustment once more, and some touching up of the veins in the wings. Here is the completed painting.